Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about constraint defined dialog box. This is the constraint defined dialog box. First of all, I create two rectangles here. Now select this line of rectangle and this line of rectangle. Press and hold Control button and then select this line. Now select constraint dialog box. First is distance. I select distance and you can apply distance from here. By double clicking on it, you can edit the distance. I type here 115 mm. Next is length. You can apply length from here. I select this length 100 mm and this length I select 15. Next is angle. You can apply angle between these lines and check it. Select OK. Now I draw two circles. I select this circle and this circle. Constraint defined dialog box. I select here both centric. See here both circles having same center point. Select OK. Now I select this line and this center point of circle. Constraint defined dialog box. And here I select coincidence. See here circle center point is coincidence with this line. Select OK. Now I draw a line here. I draw a circle. I select this line. Press and hold the Control button. Select this circle. Constraint defined dialog box. I select here tangency. See here this circle is tangent with this line. Select OK. Now select this line. Select constraint defined dialog box. I select it horizontal. See here this line becomes horizontal. Select it. Select OK. Now I select this circle. Select constraint defined dialog box. You can apply radius and other features you can apply. These are the constraint defined definitions. Select OK. This was the constraint defined dialog box. By here you can apply relations between these sketches. For example, lines, arcs, rectangles. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and explain.